Good morning, students. Students, we have done up to sum number 6. You know it, right? Today we are starting with illustration number 7. I have taken, sorry, we have done up to fifth question, no? Just 1 minute. Yes, we have done up to fifth question. So we have to take from, yes, we have done up to fifth question, 1 by 20 and 3 by 40 sacrifice. Hope you are practicing this one. Today we have to solve 3 more questions, that is 6, 7 and 8. So let's see how to solve this type of sums. So now the question is the sixth one. Now what is the sixth question? Let's start reading. A and B are the partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. That is old ratio. They admitted C as a new partner. C is a new partner and C we are giving how much? 1 by 10th, which he will acquire A and B in equal proportion. Right. So clearly they says that in equal proportion. Now the sum changes little bit. So what is the question now? Question is particulars, or we can say partner also, no problem. A, B and writing C also, no problem. And total. First is the old ratio. 3, 2 and dash. It comes to how much? 5. Now what they want to say, they are saying that they admitted C as a new partner. That is the C's new share. C share comes to how much? 1 by 10, which he will acquire from A and B in equal proportion. That means what they want to say, that is A sacrifice, not ratio, it's a proportion. A sacrifice proportion is equal to 1 by 2, while B's sacrifice proportion, I'm saying proportion, not ratio, right? So what they want to say, they admitted C as a new partner, 110, which he will acquire from A and B. That means now we are going to calculate A sacrifice. That means what is the C share? 1 by 10. From 1 by 10, which he will acquire from A and B in equal. That means 1 by 2. Now it comes 1 by 20. That means A sacrifice how much? 1 by 20. It's a new one. Eh? While B sacrifice, I think same. 1 by 10. It's also half. 1 by 2. That is 1 by 20. Right? How to know whether we done right or wrong? It's very simple. How to do? Let's see. That is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20. If you add this, you will get what? 2 by 20. And if you divide it, you will get this 1 by 10. It indicates that A is sacrificing 1 by 20, while B also sacrificing 1 by 20. How to came to know which he will acquire from A and B in equal proportion? That's right. So now let's see to find the new ratio. So what is the formula for new ratio? Yes, what is the formula? Old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So who is the old one? A's new ratio, B's new ratio, C's new ratio. So A is old. How much? 3:2. So 3 by 5. While B is old ratio, 2 by 5. While C's old ratio is not given to us. I am putting just 0. Minus 0. And C's new ratio comes to us 1 by 10. But here is not like that. Here we have to find sacrifice. You're getting what I want to say. Again, I'm repeating. A and B are the partners sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. They admitted C as a new partner for 1/10 share of the profit, which he will acquire from A and B in equal proportion. So, A is 3, B 2 and total 5. C share comes to 1 by 10. While A sacrifice proportion, what they want to say, proportion, equal, that is 1:1, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So finally, A sacrifice is equal to, how much A is giving? 1 by 10 is giving. You are getting? A sacrifice, from where it comes? C share. C share is how much? 1 by 10. And he will acquire half of it from A. That is the wording, half of it from A. So into half, it comes 1 by 20. The same way B's C share 1 by 10, half of it require 1 by 2, that is 1 by 20. So here comes now. So 3 by 5 minus 1 by 20. Here also 1 by 20. So now we have to calculate the LCM. So let's see. 5, 4, 21. You are doing with me, no? Then only you will get it into mind very properly. So total comes to 20. 3 4s are 12 minus 1. It comes to 11 by 20. Here comes 20, 5 4 and 21. 4 2s are 8 minus 1. Right? So it comes 7 by 20. Right? Yes. I'm just seeing how to do this. 1 by 20 it is there. So now we have to just multiply 2 by 2. It comes to 2 by 20. Yes. So our new ratio, friends, what is our new ratio? The new ratio is 11:7:2. Yes, that is our new ratio, 11:7:2. Now we have to find the sacrifice ratio. So how to find the sacrifice ratio? What is the formula? Sacrifice ratio is, we know, old minus new, that also we will get. But there is no need to do that. Why? Because A sacrifice already given to us 1 by 20 and 1 by 20. So we can write A sacrifice is equal to 1 by 20, while B sacrifice ratio is equal to, that also 1 by 20. So the sacrifice ratio comes to 1:1. So here we can write the new ratio 11:7:2, 20, while we can to write the sacrifice. Sacrifice ratio 1, 1, total 2 also we can do. So clear, friends? The sixth question, it's this sum it is. Now let's see the seventh question. Ready? A, B and C are the partners sharing profit in the ratio of 20%, 40% and 40% respectively. They admitted D as a new partner for 1/8 share in the profit. D is to receive his share from B and C in the ratio 3:2. Very, very interesting question, friends, and the sums are becoming more difficult for you. So let's see. Particulars, what we have to write? A, B, C, D, and finally I am writing total. What is the first thing we have to write? Yes, old ratio. I am making it simple, right? I am making 20 as 1, 40 as 2, again 40 as 2. You're getting how to do? 20 is considered as 1, well 40, 22 is and again 22 is. D is dash. So total comes to 5. So new ratio right now I don't know. They admitted D as a new partner. So D share comes to 1 by 8. D is to receive his share from B and C in the ratio of 3:2. So let's see. From B and C. So A is not sacrificing. B sacrifices is equal to, what is the wording? D is to receive his share. So what is the D share? 1 by 8 into from B and C. What is, how much the B is ready to sacrifice? 3:2. You are getting how to do this. What the ratio is given, according to that we have to multiply. So 1 by 8 into 3 by 5. So it comes to us 3 by 40. After B, we can go for C sacrifice. C sacrifice 1 by 8 into, now what is C sacrificing? C is sacrificing in the ratio of 2. So 2 multiplied by 5. So 2 by 40. Is it clear? And I already said to you how to know whether our answer is right or wrong is very simple. Just add this one. So let's start. 3 by 40 plus 2 by 40. It makes 5 by 40. It comes to 1 by 8. If it matches, then our answer is right. If it matches, then our answer is right. 1 by 8. So after doing this 3 by 40 and 2 by 40, and after doing that, what we have to do? We have to calculate the new ratio. So what is the formula? New ratio. That is old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So see, take the first name. What is the first name? A's new ratio. So A का old कितना है? A का old है 1 by 5 and sacrifice is not doing. So 0, make it 1 by 5. And we know we have to multiply with some figure in order to make our denominator correct. But right now we don't know, let it be. Then comes the new one, B's new ratio. So what is the B old one? You require 100 level of concentration for doing such type of short sums. Otherwise it becomes very, very difficult. 2 by 5 minus how much, friends? 2 by 3 by 40. So let's see how to do. LCM we can take. LCM we can take 40. 8 2s are 16 minus 3. Right. So it comes to us 13 by 40. 13 by 40. Yes. So now decided we are taking 40. So let it here also. 5 8s are here also 8. It comes to 8 by 40. Right. Now comes C. C's new ratio. C's old is how much? Same 2 by 5 minus he is giving how much? 2 by 40. LCM 40. 5 8s are 41s are 2 8s are 16 minus 2. It comes to 14 by 40. It comes to 16 minus 2. 14 by 40. Last comes D's new ratio. So let's see the D's new ratio. So D is already giving how much? 1 by 8. We have to just make the multiplication and we should get the right answer. So let's see how much. 5 by 5. It comes to 5 by 40. It comes to 5 by 40. Right? So our new ratio, friends, how much? So new ratio comes to us 8 is to 13 is to 14 is to 5. So we can write here the new ratio 8 is to 13 is to 14 is to 5, and total comes 40. And sacrifice we are knowing how to do. It's 3 by 40 and 2 by 40. Clear? So here completes the 7th question. Now let's see the 8th one, the last question for today. So let's see. A and B are the partners of a firm. They admitted C as a new partner for 1/5 share in the profit, out of which C takes 1 by 15th share from A and the remaining share from B. They are saying this much only. A and B are the partners. They admitted C as a new partner for 1/5 share in profit, out of which C takes 1 by 15 from A and remaining from B. So let's see. Start karo. Particulars A, B and C. Total. What we have to write? Old ratio 1 1 dash 2. New ratio right now we don't know. Let it be. They admitted C as a new partner for 1/5 share. So C's share comes to 1/5, out of which C takes 1/15th share from A. Clearly they says that C takes 1/15th share from A. So it's very clear A sacrifice is equal to 1/15. And remaining share from B, that we don't know. So how to do? B sacrifice is equal to C share minus A sacrifice. That is 1 by 5 minus A sacrifice comes to 1 by 15. So yeah, 1 by 15. So just LCM we can take 3 minus 1 by 15. It comes 2 by 15. So B sacrifice comes to 2 by 15 while A sacrifice comes to 1 by 15. So now let's see. First we have done remaining share from B. The remaining share from B we have done 2 by 15. A we have done it's 1 by 15. Right? So now let's see how to find the new ratio. New ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. The first formula is A's new ratio. So what is the A old? 1 by 2 minus A sacrifice 1 by 15. I think the cross multiply is the best. 15 minus 2 upon 30. 13 by 30. Yes, 13 by 30. B's new ratio 1 by 2 minus 2 by 15. Same way, 15 minus 4. 11 by 30. Right? And the third comes the C's new ratio. So C share is already 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 into 6 by 6. 6 by 30. So the new ratio comes to us 13 is to 11 is to 6. 13 is to 11 is to 6. Yes. And sacrifice ratio, that is also we know 1:2. How? 1/15, 2/15. So our new ratio comes to us 13:11:6. Total 30. Clear, friends? So we have done up to 3 questions. Now the time is for the revision, right? So let's start. Sixth question, what they want to say. A and B are the partners sharing profit 3:2. They admitted C as a new partner for 1/10 share of the profit. 1/10 share, which he will acquire from A and B in equal proportion. So how to do? Particulars A, B, C and total. Old ratio is given to us 3:2 and total 5. New ratio we have to find it, and C share is given to us 1/10. Now what they want to say, which he acquired from A and B in equal proportion. So A sacrifice is equal to 1/2, while B sacrifice also 1/2. So A sacrifice comes to 1/10 into 1/2. 1/10 into 1/2. It comes to 1/20. While B sacrifice, that also I written there, C share, 1/10 into 1/2. It comes to 1/20. Now we have to find the new ratio. What is the formula? New ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So A's new ratio is equal to 3/5 minus 1/20. That is 12 minus 1 upon 20. Right? That comes to us 11/20. B's new ratio, that is also same, 2/5 minus 1/20. That is 8 minus 1 upon 20. That is 7/20. And finally C's new ratio, that is 0 minus 0. 1/10. Right? 1/10 is already is getting C. Into the denominator 2/2. It comes 2/20. Clear? No? Talking about this one. The new ratio comes to us 11:7:2. Right? Seventh question. A, B, C are the partners sharing profit in the ratio of 20%, 40% and 40% respectively. They admitted D as a new partner for 1/8 share in the profit. D is to receive his share from B and C in the ratio of 3:2. So, particulars A, B, C, D and total. Old ratio 1:2, total 5. Then comes the D share. How much? 1/8. And clearly they says that D is to receive his share from B and C in the ratio 3:2. So 1/8 into 3/5. So 3/40. C share 1/8 into 2/5. 2/40. Now the formula. What is the formula? New ratio is equal to old minus sacrifice. Old minus sacrifice. So A's new ratio is equal to A ka old. How much? 1/5 minus. He is not sacrificing anything. That is 0. 1/5. B's new ratio 2/5 minus sacrifice of B. This one 3. 3/40. Cross LCM we have taken 8. The 2 8s are 16 minus 3, 13/40. The same way C, old ratio 2/5. While sacrifice, how much it has been come? 2/40 minus 2/40. 5 8s are 16 minus 2 upon 40. It comes to 14 by 40. While D's new ratio, that is 1 by 8 into 5 by 5, that is 5 by 40. So the new ratio comes to us 8 is to 13 is to 14 is to 5. Total comes to 40. Clear? Let's see the last one, 8th one. A and B are the partners of a firm. They admitted C as a new partner for 1/5 share in the profit, out of which C takes 1/15 from A and the remaining share from B. So that means remaining is left. So particulars A, B, C and total. Old ratio 1 is to 1, total 2. New ratio 13 is to 11 is to 6, total 30. So C share comes to 1 by 5. A sacrifices how much? 1 by 15. So B sacrifice comes to us C share minus A sacrifice. That is 1 by 5 minus 1 by 15. So LCM 3 minus 1. Finally comes 2 by 15. Then comes the new ratio. What is the formula? Old minus sacrifice. So A's new ratio is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 15. Right? So finally 15 minus 2 upon 30. That is 13 by 30. B's new ratio 1 by 2 minus 2 by 15. 15 minus 4 upon 30. 11 by 30. While C new ratio, just we have to multiply. That is 1 by 5 into 6 by 6. 6 by 30. So our new ratio comes to us 13 is to 11 is to 6. So sacrifice ratio is 1 is to 2. So friends, here we are completing up to 8th question. In the next class, we will see question number 9, 10 and 11. So please practice that also and this also. Thank you.